Front nigo bomerana asobisi chiabo ime Karen na kumurekera egati obokoreri bw'eserikali ya Kenya kwanza gukwana nigo bamuchia umuruberio osha chinchira eserikali ekonyoro kubwatuka enengo guchia sechiskuru au nabo igo bokurumi bore asichi sector au nigo baereire okweroberia kwabo bwikiranu obosibo Obochori obonene bw'omwaka bw'echilifu 2025
Wiper one time komboa Kenya.
Ababwatani bekiama gya Wiper Patriotic Front nigo besokire na kugikeria oborai bw'eserikali ya Kenya kwanza. Ukwana omurai bekiama kyo Kalonzo Musyoka nigaerera emechando eserikali ya Ntoeroberetie Kenya ekyo keirire gati ya Bakenya kura chinsemo kogania kuyerusia abisi.
There is something fundamentally wrong with the state of our nation under the existing regime. Scandal after scandal and attempts to sell off Kenya's crucial infrastructure on the cheap are the modus operandi of this disgraced regime. This is the reason why Kenyans from all corners of our country simply have hashtag one term as their #1 agenda.
Asensemo yechisemi nigo bamuchia eserikali asokonyura kubwatuka chibesa guchia ase chiskuru egento baine kia kerema mincha nelichiko boigo nigo aene kebuna ekiama kia ye nigo kiariganite goche koira oborai Obochori buri mutu lekwene kia kera omokenya nigo akomenya obugima borobuya.
Education, for example, is in shambles from primary through to the university. Pupils are being sent home for lack of school fees because of this government's perpetual failure to release capitation funds to schools on time. In the case of the universities, students have received SMSs indicating that their accounts have been credited, only to be turned down on the date of admission.
Kalonzo boigo nigo amochia omuruberio osha asaba Kenya bagendeta gwetera amakongu chinga kicho konyora obokoreri iki keirire chinyagitari gosiekwa kubwatkana no gutakanwa.
The 10.6 billion shillings was embezzled to non-existent hospitals and fake patient files, while legitimate hospitals, many of which were founded by missionaries and faith-based groups years before independence, were forced to close due to unpaid genuine claims. This is inexplicable.
Boigo nigo bagikeria obukurumi obogendete kwene kigwa ase serikali asebalia eire yogo chokoimukia egetambukero chinga kibara soe asoborai.
This repressive, oppressive and excessive regime on notice. Corruption in the healthcare sector is a slow genocide, plain and simple. As the government in waiting, we will insist on the perpetrators being tried for crimes against humanity.
Kurende okoborigwa nigo kwarurugo chia asaba Kenya kwaeneke buna nkubwata bale ebibande asobonge eligo chugwa kachikura Obochori bole Bosio nabo igokorusia eserikali eraroro.
ABC has announced the start of voter registration from September 29, 2025. We urge all Kenyans of legal age to get their IDs and register en masse as voters, and particularly the young Kenyans who have now attained the age of majority.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV.
Umurai wense William Ruto